What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the Rockville 6 feet female XLR to male XLR cable. Let me do the unboxing and then tell you how good is the build quality of it. So here we go. Wow, I'm really liking it. This is a 6 feet. The build quality is quite good, let me be honest with you. So the build quality is quite good. I'm already using one of the XLR cable with my Zoom F4 and short Super 55 cable. Do I recommend? Definitely yes. I do not recommend any another cable. If you're on totally budget with high quality cable you want, Rockville is your option. Make sure to subscribe. Check out the links in the description box below. It was me, none other than Geek. Bye.